Hello children, your new session and a new topic introduced to yourself is reproduction in plants. Children, all of you are familiar to the word plants? Yes. What plants give us? Do you know? Yes, everybody knows that plants provides us oxygen, it gives us shade, supply medicine, it holds soil, it is a big home for wildlife also, and it is useful in fuel, and the most important, it gives us vegetables, fruits and so on. Now the next term is reproduction. Have you listened it earlier? I think no. But now you will learn the topic. I will taught you the topic. What is reproduction? Yes, reproduction is, there is a two word added children in this word, production and re. Re means bar. Okay. Then production of anything in cycling way. Okay. Production of its own kind to increase their number. अपने ही तरह के बहुत सारे चीज़ों को, सिमिलर दिखने वाली चीज़ों को प्रोडक्शन करना, that is production. Suppose here I take an example of tulsi. All of you have tulsi plants at your home? Yes, all of you have, I think so. Yes. Suppose this is tulsi plant, and tulsi plants has leaves, seeds, flowers and so on. The seeds, when we take and sprinkles on the ground, seed is in tulsi plant is the main agent of reproduction, to do reproduction of plant or give the same species of plant. Okay, so when we take tulsi seeds and sprinkle into the soil, हम इसे मिट्टी में डालते हैं, then the seeds get germinated, and with proper atmospheric temperature, air, water into it gets germinate into new plant that looks similar to the tulsi plants. Okay, similar types of leaves, similar type of roots, and the shape and sizes are similar. Now in the same way, the next tulsi plant seeds, it has also seeds, flower and leaves, so it also sprinkles on the ground and it germinates into new tulsi plant, and the race will completed in this way. One tulsi plants get germinated into two, and two into three, and three into many more. Okay, so the definition is production of its own kind to increase their number or races. This is the process of reproduction in plants. Now the next topic is parts of plant. Which parts of plants helps in reproduction? Yes, seeds, roots, stem and more. These type of parts of plant helps in reproduction. But here we take the first example of reproduction through seeds. Reproduction through seeds. Children, have you seen a structure on my paper? Yes, this is the seed of what? Beans or bean. Okay, the seed of beans is kidney shaped. Have you seen the shape of kidney? Yes, it is kidney shaped. This is entire seed, children, but the seed of bean is two part. It has two parts. Then I had made the pictures where the seed is broken into two parts. It has two parts. Then I made the picture in two parts. Okay, first part and second part. Suppose this is seed coat. Okay, this is the covering of the seed. Seed coat is the covering of the seed. Now the most important is micropyle. Okay, there is a small hole like structure. This is called micropyle, and through this micropyle seeds absorbs water. When we put the seeds into water, then थ्रू माइक्रोपाइल इट एब्जॉर्ब वाटर. जब हम लोग सीड्स को पानी में डालते हैं, चने के रेड ग्राम को डालते हो पानी में, देन इट विल गेट जर्मिनेट एंड टेक ऑक्सीजन और वाटर थ्रू माइक्रोपाइल. ओके, बीन सीड इज the two part is called dicotyledon. Means the two parts we call cotyledon. Okay, if we break into two parts, then it is di means two, two parted, so it is called dicotyledon seed leaves. Okay, and dicotyledon is seed leaves. Now the next one is example. Recently I have told you dicot means two seed leaves. Okay, so there is an example of dicot and monocot. The plants having two seeds, having seeds of two parted of seed, two parts of seed, that is gram, pea, beans. अब देखियो रेड चने को देखो. Have you seen? ये रेड ग्राम. ओके, रेड ग्राम है. When we break it, अगर हम इसको तोड़ेंगे, when we will break it, then it is divided into two parts. Okay, so gram, pea and beans. Okay, I'll keep these type of seeds into dicot. Next, wheat, rice and maize. Here only we have kept rice. Have you seen rice? This is only one. Okay, no partition will be there. So if there is no partition, then this type of seeds, this type of wheat, maize, okay, rice, we will keep it in monocot, means one seeded. Dicot means two seeded. Okay, wheat, rice and maize, one seeds, they have one seeds, so we'll keep it in monocot. And if it has two seed, having two seed, then seeded, then it is dicot. Now here we learn the structure of seed. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा. There is seed का, हमने बीन सीड को लिया है, उसको हम लोगों ने तोड़ा है. देन सीड्स कैसे जर्मिनेट हो रहा है, यहाँ पे नीचे रूट निकल, जैसे हम उसको पानी में डालते हैं सीड्स को जर्मिनेशन के लिए, देन देयर इज जर्मिनेशन प्रोसेस, देयर विल बी जर्मिनेशन प्रोसेस स्टार्ट्स, रूट्स कमिंग आउटसाइड, लीव्स कमिंग आउटसाइड फ्रॉम देयर portion of micropyle. Okay, besides the portion of micropyle. Now the next is growth of plants. What are the condition needed for the growth of the plant? Yes, for the growth of the plant, we should have to keep the plant in appropriate air condition, appropriate water, appropriate temperature. Neither the temperature will be too less or cold, not too more or hot. So the temperature should have to be balanced to the growth of the plant, or to germinate the seed. We should have first kept in your mind that proper balanced temperature, proper balance of water and proper balance of air should be. We will have to maintain this type of condition. Next is seed germination. We will discuss in your next video seed germination.